Imagine stepping into the world of video creation with Runway, a tool that has redefined synthetic video models. With its user-friendly interface, Runway allows creators to generate stunning videos by simply providing text prompts. Think about how the industry has transformed. In the past, creating such visuals required hours of work and often a significant budget. But now, with Runway's Gen 3 model, you can create breathtaking videos starting from just 10 seconds long. This tool enables seamless collaboration among creatives, giving them the freedom to explore their ideas without the constraints of traditional video production. Whether you're looking to upscale your content quality or simply experiment with AI-generated footage, Runway stands out as a leading choice for anyone serious about video creation. Plus, who wouldn't want to leverage horse racing in its latest footage with remarkable realism? Next, let's talk about Luma Labs Dream Machine, an AI tool that seems to have sprung from the depths of creativity itself. With Luma, video creation feels like having a creative partner by your side. This is especially important as we look for ways to enhance storytelling in videos. With its intuitive chatbot-style interface, you can easily communicate with the AI to bring your vision to life. Picture this. You're typing away describing an emotional scene, and within moments, AI brings that scene into vibrant reality. The latest version has improved visual realism thanks to the Photon AI image generator, taking your projects to heights previously imagined only in dreams. Especially when combined with features like prompt enhancement and keyframe manipulation, Luma Labs is one of those platforms that truly unlocks creative potential. Now let's venture into the realm of Kling, a generative video product from Kuaishou. This tool embraces longer video generations while capturing human and animal motion with an uncanny realism. When you think about video production, capturing movement accurately is paramount. Kling has achieved just that, making it a unique player in the AI space. Its design is simple and straightforward, allowing even novices to create professional-grade content effortlessly. You might be surprised at the kind of emotion this platform can portray through character animations and camera movements. Imagine creating a touching moment between friends simply by crafting the right prompts. Kling provides free access, making it accessible to many, thus democratizing the power of AI video generation. Next up, we have the Hailuo MiniMax, a name that has been making waves since its launch. This platform has quickly become one of the best text-to-video AI tools available, not just for its functionality, but also for its affordability. The beauty of Hailuo lies in its ability to create detailed, high-quality videos through simple prompts. And what's absolutely stunning is its new image-to-video feature. Imagine taking a stunning photo and turning it into a lively video that's brimming with motion. Take a moment to envision how this could impact your workflow, whether you're in marketing, education, or even personal projects. Hailuo aims to cater to your creative needs without breaking the bank, making it an ideal choice for many creators. Finally, let's introduce Haiper, a platform that offers a different approach to AI video generation. It's less about fine-tuned control and more about a smooth, intuitive experience where users can effortlessly follow their prompts. Since its inception, Haiper has rapidly evolved to include enhancements in motion smoothing and keyframing, which makes it stand out in the crowded landscape of AI video tools. Imagine telling your story through video without worrying about technical barriers. Haiper encourages you to express yourself freely, turning your ideas into captivating content smoothly. The accessibility of their free and low-cost plans further cements Haiper's position as one of the top alternatives worth exploring.